So welcome. In this video I'll be showing you how to use CapCut. Okay, CapCut is a video editing app, and I must say that I love CapCut. I love the functions. It's completely free. All right, compared to InShot, KineMaster, Power Director, and so many other video editing apps that I've used. Many of them have pro versions, and you have to pay for the pro version for you to have their features unlocked. Okay, and even with the pro version, some still have some limitations, but so far I enjoy using CapCut. Everything you can think of as a beginner, an intermediate, or an expert, the basic things you need for your video editing, you will find them all free on CapCut. All of them free. Yes, you will find them free on CapCut. So in this video tutorial, we'll be talking about CapCut. I'll be walking you through CapCut and how to use CapCut to do certain things, okay? Certain video editing, all right? So you can go to Play Store or Apple Store to download CapCut, okay? If your phone is compatible with it, it's going to download. If your phone is not compatible, then you may need to get a phone that its specification matches with that of CapCut, okay? So when you download CapCut, you open it. Also, it is important for you to understand that CapCut has a computer application, okay? It's computer version, so you can make use of it. And if you are somebody that is active on TikTok, you will appreciate CapCut more, because you see all the filters that you see on TikTok, all the editing you see on TikTok, it is done through CapCut. CapCut is synchronized with TikTok, so all the editing and those filters are connected to CapCut, okay? That is why if you observe some videos on TikTok, you will see templates from CapCut, okay? Done with CapCut, something like that. So CapCut is a beautiful tool. It has so many features and functions, and you are going to understand it better in this video. And outside understanding it from this video, by the time you continue using CapCut, you will get to appreciate the tool. I bet you if you have used CapCut and other apps like KineMaster and InShot, then you may need to appreciate CapCut more. But this is my personal take, okay? So when you open your CapCut, you're going to see this. You see new projects, you see the works you have done for those that have done any work, okay? But then as a beginner, this space will be empty, all right? Then these are shortcuts: camera in case you want to snap, captions in case you want to create text captions, okay? Enhance, auto cut, and promoter. So we'll be looking into the details and the features of CapCut in this video, okay? Also, it is important to know that there are some features in CapCut that you need to have your internet connection on for it to work, okay? Because CapCut is free. It's just like a web application. Everything is free. But some of its features, you need internet connection for it to be affected in your video or in your picture, okay? You just need internet connection, and it's just like the feature is hosted on their web server, okay? So you need to have internet connection. Not all features, okay? There are some features like if you want to do transcribing, you want to transcribe audio to text, okay? You need internet connection so that once you click on that function, it's going to do it using the internet, and it's free. And this is what you will pay somebody to do for you. Write the script and you start uploading if you are using other application. But with CapCut, it's completely free, all right? So we'll be going into details of the features and functions of CapCut. And it is also important for you to understand that because we use different phones, the interface will be different, okay? Just try to follow me by understanding where your own button is, okay? I might say click on caption. My own caption might be on the right and your own might be on the left. Yes, it does happen. There are some applications that when you put it in two different phones, you will not see the same interface. Even with Android phone, not to talk about Android and iOS. So just follow this tutorial and you're going to really appreciate CapCut and understand it. So to get started working with CapCut, you need to import a video. Okay, so you click on new project and you will see where you can go to your gallery. Okay, you can go to your gallery, or you see stock videos. Okay, stock videos are default videos that come with this app, and you can select any of them to start working with. You can select a blank page, a black background, or white, or any of these. Okay, then we also have photos. Okay, photos will take you to the photos in your gallery. All right, so there are three basic objects you need to understand while working with CapCut and even every other video editing app. One is a video clip. Okay, the other is a photo image. Okay, this image can be an icon, a photo, a picture. Okay, then the other one is audio. Okay, you can import a sound, okay, a background music. So but basically the first two you can start working with are videos and photos. Then when you now get into the editing background, you can now import an audio if you wish. Okay, now let's just start with a video. So I'm going to select this immediately. Okay, when you select any video, you click add. All right, you can select more than one. Now I want you to understand something. When you open this working space, you're going to see the default functions, which are edit, okay, audio, text, stickers, overlay, effect, filter, ratio, canvas, adjust. These are the default functions, and when you tap each of them, it brings out sub functions. Okay, for example, when you tap edit, you can see it brings out other sub functions. Okay, like split, speed, animation, style, delete, camera tracking, cutout, volume, extraction, edit, filter, adjust, retouch. Okay, photo editing is not available because this is not a picture. Okay, mask, overlay, replay, stabilize, opacity, reduce noise, reduce voice effect, copy, reverse, freeze, graphs, motion blur. Okay, this is for edit. When you click audio, you're going to see sound, effect, extracted, record. When you click on sound, you can import a sound. Okay, when you click on sound, it's going to ask you either synchronize with TikTok, or you can import from your phone by clicking on this folder icon. Okay, or you can check the recommended. All right, or you can check your favorite if you have any favorite that you have saved, or you can search for stock sounds and music. Okay, so let's just import one quickly. Let's click on beats. Okay, let's just select one, the first one. I'll click download. Let's see what happens. I'll click download. Okay, so it's going to import into my working space. Okay, also understand that your internet speed contributes to how quick it's going to be. Okay, so you need to have a good internet connection because these sounds are hosted on their server, so it has to import them. Can you see? Then you can click on the plus. When you click plus, it will be added to your workspace. Okay, so back to the default functions. Now you see text. When you click on text, you will see alt text, sticker, auto caption, text templates, auto lyrics, draw. Okay, and each of these have their own functionality. We'll come to that. You see sticker as well.
These are the default functions. Okay, you see overlay, you see effect, okay, you see filter, okay, then you see ratio, that is the size, okay, you see canva. Canva has to do with color, background, blur, okay, then you see adjust. All right, now when you tap on a video, you see that the video brings out its own functions or features that you can use to work on that video. Okay, now when you also tap on an audio, you click audio, you tap on the audio, you see that it brings out its own features too. Can you see? Now let's import a photo. Okay, click on this plus icon, let's just select a photo. Okay, this one, click on add. All right, now when you select this photo, you see that this photo has its own functions. Okay, now you can see that this photo editing is now available, but when we selected the clip, it wasn't available. Can you see it? And when we select photo, there are some functions too that are not available, like speed, okay, camera tracking, volume, extract audio. So you see, any object you select gives you functions or features that you can use to work on them. So your mastery of these features and functions will help you know which one to use at a particular time when you want to effect a particular creativity or idea in your head. Okay, so we'll be looking at some of these features, all right, and how you can work and use them. All right,